On the party all the time. Now they ain't no controlling him. On the party all the time. People say that I'm too loud. They ain't no controlling him. People say that I'm too loud.
Just warming up. Doing a shoulder press machine. We're here with Adam, Big Adam. Hopefully take it easy with me tonight. So I did back this morning. So I'm just going to film a bit. This is the last one we're doing the full stack for a warm up. Feel easy enough that. It's alright for some minute. Moving on to I don't know what we're doing. We're doing stood up military. No, we're doing a Smith machine press. I've done these for a long time. I do dumbbells now, man. Obviously not having a 10 on it. Having a 20 on. That nice short angle. That was fucking quick, weren't it? Two like that. See, I'm used to 10 reps, me. Just tell you on spotting. I'm not gonna. Just on 2 plates. 2 plates side. Short reps again. Got a bit of pain from his chest workout yesterday, so put the bench up a lot straighter. Take it off his pec. See how we feel on this. Ooh. Still in your pack? Will be. Music. Still in the pack? Still saying? See these young lads now, they take phone calls when they're in the gym. We're on the phone at the moment. I'm having to stop a minute. I'm just following him, JJ. I'm just go on it again. We've moved machine. What are we doing? Front raises on a cable crossover machine. Single arm. Swap arms, do his other arm. So he does shoulders twice a week. He does shoulders twice a week. So he's going to pick it up again later in the week. Because he did chest yesterday, still a bit sore on his delts. When he picked it up. When you pick it up in second time in the week on your shoulders, you feel stronger. When you do your shoulders again later in the week, you feel stronger. Anyway, got headphones on. Everybody nowadays has to have music in their ears. I think we're on trance, said he said, because when I got in his car, we were bopping out trance at full belt. Come on, good. Away again, pretty heavy. Last set was painful for me. Come on, fight it. Fight. Come on, all you got. Lift. Come on. Nice. Move along time. Do some side laterals. Seated. We're on it, yeah. We're on the machine. I prefer my dumbbell side laterals, but we're following Adam. That's what we're going to do. He knows his position, he likes to activate the head, so he gets himself in position. Change sides. We are on the stack as well. So we're not messing. Another easy set with the stack. Just asked him where we're going. We've just done full stack on there. So it's plate loading. Some gyms don't like plate loading machines, but we're plate loading. I'll show you what plate loading is. Machine's not heavy enough. Take that cable out. There we go. We shove an extra £40 on it. And I'll keep an eye on it. It's not moving. There you go. Whap some more weight on it. Why not? Put some more weight on. Change sides. So we've been working today. He's been on a roof, putting trusses on, which can't be easy work in the rain. Side laterals. Come on. The weight. More weight. Still on sides. Not used to this motion, me. I don't do it. But if it works for him, it works. Good. Onto cable, side laterals. Same movement, just with a cable. Come on, pain. Good. Second set. Same again. More reps. More reps. Doing a lot of side lateral movements. Now is that a good thing? Obviously works because he's got lumpy shoulders. He does what he wants. What works for him best. If it works, you carry on doing it. Like I say, this guy's done a day's work And he's here at the gym. Good. Moving on to rear delts. Do it single arm. Do it single arm. So get the seat right. Get himself happy. Likes to have lots of different rear delt exercises. This is what he likes to do. I'm going to have a go. Shouldn't do really, I did this last set. Up the weight. Boom, yeah. Jobs are good, and we've done that one. Moving on to triceps now, we've done shoulders. I don't know when he puts his traps in, probably do it on a back night. So we're doing basically a cable tricep extension, kick back, keeping your palms up, palms up. The video yet? That's fucking hilarious. You're in it. I'm not. Don't worry about that, John. What's that, son? Here? He likes to work on triceps. I think you only worked them out 3 or 4 days ago. Good. Nice negative on there. Right, we're upstairs in Al's. We're doing some tricep pushdowns with the ropes. What, 4 sets here? We've done 4 sets. Look at that. Third. Can't count this lad as well. It feels like I've done 4 me. Just picking the number up now. Rep range has changed. Good. Just moving on to the bar push down. Same thing, slightly weight. Just repping them out, getting the burn in the tricep. Bring the pain to you. Keep changing the exercise around, bring the burn. It's all about fatiguing that muscle. If you fatigue it, you hurt it, it'll grow. Just fatigue it out. When I'm doing triceps, I like to get to that point where it's fucking murder. It's like 12 reps, murder. 15 reps, murder. Gotta keep going, gotta keep going. 18 reps. You gotta push it past that pain tolerance. Your triceps will tell you when it's pain. They'll cry at you. They'll just completely cry. You've gotta put it down. when they're it's Skull Crusher time. Not too heavy. We're already worn the tricep out. We're just finishing it off. But I'm spotting him, so I've got to put the camera down. I've got to take this bar off him. Last set now, last exercise. Do the last one. Got Bobby's in the house talking with AJ. Caddy's somewhere. I think he's gone for his drink. So I'm just going to do this last one. There we go. It's that time. So when you're ready. Pain. Kicking it away from the head. Come on. Nice, mine. Good one. It's because of the Bobby Caddy show, that.
Not the father of the century. Dynamic duo.
Done. I'll hold door for you. You can hold this one, hold it door for all young ones.